Hi all, welcome to this wonderful session. In previous class, we discussed about what is sexual reproduction and what is fertilization and what is internal fertilization and what is external fertilization and what the difference between oviparous animals and viviparous animals. Okay, now we are going to discuss about asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, there are two types. One is budding, another one is binary fission. Okay, that binary fission is observed in amoeba. It's a protozoan. Okay, budding is identified in hydra. So budding is identified in hydra. Okay, let me discuss that in detail now. Binary fission in amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled organism. It begins the process of reproduction by the division of its nucleus into two nuclei. This is followed by division of its body into two, each part receiving a nucleus. Finally, two amoeba are produced from one parent amoeba. Okay, one parent nucleus is into two nuclei. These two nuclei is spread like this and two daughter cells are formed. Simple. Okay, what is asexual reproduction? No gametes are here. That's no gametes are called asexual reproduction. Okay, this type of asexual reproduction in which an animal reproduces by dividing into two individuals, okay, is called binary fission. Okay, what is binary fission? Parent nucleus divided into two nuclei. That two nuclei spread like this and become a two daughter cells are formed. Okay, and no gametes here. Okay, next, budding. In each hydra, there may be one or more bulges. These bulges are the developing new individuals and they are called buds. You see here. So this is called buds. In each hydra, the new individuals developed as outgrowth from a single parent. This type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. Since new individuals developed from the buds in hydra, this type of asexual reproduction is called budding. What is test tube babies? Some women oviducts are blocked. These women are unable to bear babies because sperms cannot reach the egg for fertilization. In such cases, doctor collects freshly released egg and sperms and keep them together for a few hours for IVF or in vitro fertilization. What is in vitro fertilization means? In vitro fertilization means fertilization outside the body. Okay. In case fertilization occurs, the zygote is allowed to develop for about a week and then it is placed in the mother's uterus. Complete development takes place in the uterus and the baby is born like any other baby. Babies born through this technique are called test tube babies. This term is actually misleading because babies cannot grow in the test tubes. Okay? Okay. And one important thing is this term is actually misleading now because babies cannot grow in test tubes. Okay? Cloning. What is cloning? Cloning is the production of an exact copy of a cell, any other living part or a complete organism. Cloning of an animal was successfully performed for the first time by Ian Walmart and his colleagues at an Australian institute in Edinburgh, Scotland. They successfully cloned a sheep named Dolly. Dolly was born on 5th July 1996 and was the first mammal to be cloned. Finn Dorset's sheep, and this is Scottish blackface A, Dolly. Okay. During the process of cloning Dolly, a cell was collected from the mammary gland of a female Finn Dorset's sheep. Simultaneously, an egg was obtained from a Scottish blackface A. The nucleus was removed from the egg. Then the nucleus of the mammary gland cell from the fin dorsal sheep was inserted into an egg of a Scottish blackface Eve whose nucleus has been removed. The egg thus produced was implanted into Scottish blackface Eve. The development of this egg followed normally and finally Dolly was born. Okay. Though Dolly was given birth by the Scottish blackface Eve, it was found to be absolutely identical to the fin dorsal sheep from which the nucleus has taken. Since the nucleus from the egg of the Scottish blackface Eve was removed, Dolly did not show any character of the Scottish blackface Eve. Dolly was a healthy clone of the fin dorsal sheep and produced several offspring of her own through normal sexual means. Unfortunately, Dolly died on 14th February 2003 due to certain lung disease. Since Dolly, several attempts have been made to produce cloned mammals. However, many die before birth or die soon after birth. The cloned animals are many at times found to be born with several severe abnormalities. Okay? That's all. Okay, that's for today. Thank you.